This is Samsung Galaxy A7 2016 model. After 4 years, this is worked at 2020. Find out in this video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. So let's start the video. A6 Plus comes with 5.5 inch Super AMOLED touchscreen, 74.3% screen to body ratio, resolution 1080 1920 pixel. So you watching highest YouTube video 1080, and all the content watching experience super cool because this phone have a Super AMOLED display. We also know Samsung Super AMOLED display just amazing. This phone back and front protection by Gorilla Glass 4, and this phone using chipset Exynos 7580, and this is almost same chipset Snapdragon 615. So your gaming experience not bad. You also play Call of Duty in low graphics without any lagging. Galaxy A7 6 running Android 7. Phone comes with 16GB storage and 3GB RAM. A7 6 powered by 3300 mAh battery, and this phone also supports 18W fast charger. You also unlock your phone by fingerprint scanner. Fingerprint scanner speed I think more enough for this 4 years smartphone. So all the app opening and closing speed I think more enough for this 4 years smartphone. By the way, I have also Galaxy A series 16 model. Basically, I like Samsung A series smartphone. I like A3 more than A7 because this phone is small and very easy to use. Galaxy A7 6 comes with single 13 megapixel 1.9 aperture 20mm wide main camera with LED flash, panorama and HDR. There is some photo and video sample. Main camera you can record highest 1080 30 fps video. Okay, this is all about Galaxy A7 2016 model, and I hope you guys like this video and enjoy this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time in the other video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. Allah Hafiz.